In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a WhatsApp chat feature to your Shopify store. This will help you enhance customer service and potentially recover abandoned cart sales. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, go ahead and access your Shopify admin panel by navigating to My Store on the Shopify homepage. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your online business, from products to orders and beyond. It's essentially your command center as an e-commerce retailer, designed to streamline your operations and maximize efficiency. Once you're inside the Shopify admin, focus your attention on the left-hand menu, where you'll find various options to enhance and customize your store. Look for the Add button, which will allow you to implement new apps and features. With a simple click, you'll open up a world of possibilities to expand the functionality of your store. Next, let's venture into the Shopify App Store. This marketplace is a vast repository of tools specifically designed to optimize store performance. Click on the Shopify App Store link to access this treasure trove of applications that can not only enhance customer engagement, but also tackle many of the common challenges faced by online businesses. Now that you are in the App Store, it's time to find the perfect app for integrating WhatsApp chat. Go to the search bar and type in WhatsApp. This function will narrow down the app options and point you towards ones that facilitate communication with your customers through WhatsApp, helping you stay connected effortlessly. Look through the search results and click on the app titled SH WhatsApp Chat and Abandoned Cart Recovery. This particular app is highly effective as it allows you to directly engage with your customers via WhatsApp. Moreover, it includes features to help you recover sales from customers who may have abandoned their shopping carts, essentially giving you another chance to make that sale. Finally, and most importantly, click on the Install button. Installing this app is the concluding step, and doing so will integrate WhatsApp into your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process, usually requiring just a few minutes. Once this app is installed, your store will be equipped with a powerful tool for real-time customer engagement and conversion optimization. This can significantly improve the shopping experience for your customers and ultimately boost your bottom line. By following these instructions, you've now added a direct line of communication via WhatsApp to your Shopify store. This enhancement can play a crucial role in improving customer service, increasing engagement, and potentially recovering lost sales. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Keep optimizing and innovating for more successful sales.